test of the NOAA weather radio station WX Missing 72's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can automatically be activated by these signals to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signals and the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitters, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County warning area. In West Virginia, Greenbrier, Mercer, Monroe, and Summers. In Virginia, Allegheny, Bath, Ladin, Craig, Giles, and Daswell. Included in these counties is the independent city of Covington. In addition, we broadcast short-fused products for the following West Virginia counties: Fayette, Nicholas, Pocahontas, and Raleigh. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming.